Come here. Hello, it is Saturday, like noonish, 11ish, almost noonish. We're gonna go on an adventure today. We're gonna ride our bikes. We haven't done that in a while. Like, we're gonna ride our bikes out somewhere to the new train station in our neighborhood, and we're gonna ride our bikes, park them there at the bike lockers, and ride the train. We'll be super excited. We're gonna head over to Santa Rosa and see what's in downtown. So, first time on the train with these two kids and bikes. Okay, wish us luck. Bike link for the win. Alright, so we just parked our bikes in the bike link lockers, which we used to use all the time when we lived in Emeryville. And so we're glad that our cards still worked. So yeah, lock them in. You don't need locks or anything. It's great. It's like 5 cents an hour, so nice. And now we're waiting for the train. We're at the brand new smart train station that they just built in our neighborhood. They just launched it like a month ago or something for the whole Marin area, this new train system. So we're gonna head up to Santa Rosa, see what's there, and our little double bike stroller thing. So here we go. And the train is gone. They wouldn't let us on because our double stroller is too big. So the guy said you didn't have any room for it because there are too many people. So it looks like we're going back home on our bikes and find something else to do. Are you sad because the train left us? Aww. We tried. So instead, we rode to Super Duper, got ourselves a burger. Here's our bikes here. And burger's the only way we can get over our disappointment, eating our sorrows away. And Livy has a Happy Meal. Livy, is it good? Alright, so we finished with our lunch, which was good actually. We hadn't eaten at Super Duper in a while, so we earned our burger calories, that's for sure, riding around. So now we decided to hop in the car and we are going to go to Plan B, which is wine tasting in Sonoma, since we've always wanted to go back since the last time we were there. So we're gonna check it out and yeah, check it out now that these kids are fed. Livy wants to listen to her CD, and she's not being very nice about it.
Listen, everyone. Listen, we play the drum. Listen, everyone. Listen, we play the drum.
are home now. We got our chicken under my tostones. So good. It's been so long since we've had soul food. We went to soul food and got takeouts. And Livy's eating her leftover Happy Meal. And Sophie's over there playing, hopefully until I finish eating. We ended up buying 1 bottle of wine from Klein Vineyards, the last wine tasting we went to. So not a bad day, even though we got rejected by the smart train, or should I say the dumb train, for not allowing our stroller on. Anyway, that was pretty dumb. So maybe we'll have better luck next time. We won't bring the stroller. See why strollers are bad? Strollers are just annoying because they just hinder you everywhere you go. So, all right, I'm gonna eat dinner, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, good morning. It is Sunday. It's a lovely day outside, and it's just gonna be a relaxing home day. I just ran errands at Costco and Target and got, like, you know, food for Sophie and all that. Sophie's eating lunch. We're gonna eat lunch pretty soon. We just have some salads from Costco. Gonna try to eat healthier. Maybe. We'll try. Anyway, yeah, and Livy's over here playing, making a mess, as usual, and yeah. What was that?
My name is Zosa.
Sophie trying to feed her actual blueberries. Oh,
Come on. Do something.
she doesn't like chewing on food. She's only ever had purees. She just won't eat chunky food.
You made it. You made it to the summit. Good job. Good job.
To join us. Hi, Sophie.
I got it from Sophie.
Thank you, Livy. Hello. Okay, that's the end of the night. Sunday just kind of flew by. It didn't do anything today, so that's why there was like just the random footage. I did a lot of stuff around the house. I vacuumed the floors, changed the water filter in the fridge, watered the plants, changed or got some debris out of the sprinkler valve water pipe thing that was like making the sprinklers leak. And yeah, just kind of did stuff around the house. Watched a little football, watched a little movie. The girls, we ended up watching this like shark movie, 47 Meters Down or something like that. Kind of like a shark horror film. We probably shouldn't have watched it in front of the kids, but they were like totally mesmerized by it, and they weren't scared or anything. Like Livy was actually asking questions like, "Oh, what happened to the shark?" And she was like excited every time she saw the shark. So anyway, that was interesting. And yeah, and then just kind of played with the kids the rest of the evening. So that's all she wrote. It was a fun weekend. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, and that's it. So I guess we'll see you all in the next video. Okay, bye.